Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Libra air sign. This is November weekly reading from November 9th to November 15th. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Libra air sign. What are the messages for you and what's going on? Messages for Libra. Maybe you're dealing with Cancer. Maybe you're dealing with Virgo. Under the deck, Queen of Cups, Ace of Wands, Ten of Swords, Ace of Swords, the Fool. I think there is some clarity is coming here, or you want clarity, or for some you want to cut off someone from your life here, or you want cut off something from doesn't serve you anymore in your life. Right now you're feeling very sad. You are tired here. Your energy is totally drained. Some type of ending here. But there will be new beginnings, new opportunities for you, especially in your career. Um, and Queen of Cups, you are very emotional person, very caring person. Libra, you still have strong emotions towards your person. So let's see your reading. Recent past, Chariot, Seven of Pentacles and Three of Cups. Maybe lots of you third party involved in this relationship. They always keep putting you on waiting. The relationship between you and your person is very slow moving because the Chariot is here. Very slow moving. So for some third party involved in this relationship. Then present Nine of Cups, Ten of Cups and Two of Wands. You wishing, you praying for this connection, you want Ten of Cups. And you're thinking about them a lot. Maybe some of you have to make some choice, some decision regarding this relationship or regarding your life. Lots of you are in long distance relationship. Then future, the Hermit, the Hangman and Page of Cups. Maybe you will go through some transformation in future because you are feeling stuck because you are not getting clarity from their end. But some offer is coming, someone is ready to offer, but it is a small offer. And for someone is ready to say apology. If your person did something wrong to you, they wanna say apology. There is text is coming. Yeah, I think you will get clarity in future because right now you are not getting clarity from their side, but here Ace of Swords, so clarity is coming. So the person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So let's see your person current feelings and their intentions. Then we will get more clarity what is going between you and your person. So under the deck, the Star. Maybe you're dealing with Aquarius. They're praying. They're wishing for this connection. So let's see their current feelings and intentions, Libra. Definitely some of you dealing with Cancer here. Okay, let's see their intentions also. For some kids also involved in this relationship. Under the deck, the Hierophant. Maybe you're dealing with Taurus here. 6 of Wands, the Magician, and 5 of Pentacles. For some, maybe you left them in a cold or they left you in a cold here. For some, they are manifesting you back into their life. They want success in this relationship and they're thinking about marriage, and for some, marriage is involved in this relationship. So their current feelings, Chariot, 9 of Pentacles and Queen of Pentacles. Right now your person is at some crossroads. See, this way and that way they're thinking about like this. So that's why they're in slow moving energy. They're at some crossroads. They're in some confusion here. But they're getting clarity because 9 of Pentacles, they're thinking about stability regarding this relationship, and Queen of Pentacles. So they really want to work on this relationship. They want to take action towards you and they want to invest something into this relationship. And their intentions, Page of Pentacles, Page of Wands, and the Hanged Man. They're still stuck. I think you both are stuck on each other, and definitely there is text is coming in your way. But your person is not mature enough here because Page of Wands with Page of Pentacles. Your person is a player, always in and out of your life. But there is text is coming. So let's pull some cards from universe where this relationship is headed on. Queen of Cups, yes, they do love you. And the Magician, they are manifesting you. And 5 of Pentacles with 8 of Cups. Definitely, you both are in separation for some. For some, this is on and off connection. There were issues, maybe opinion differences between you and your person. So they want to leave behind everything like arguments, fightings, and they want a fresh new start with you. So Queen of Cups with Magician. Definitely for some, they are manifesting you back into their life. And for some, the woman in this connection could be pregnant or kids involved in this relationship. Yeah, you also thinking about them a lot, and you also want a fresh start with this person, the Fool. Yes, you both want each other here. At the same time, you want to take your power back and new beginnings, new opportunities for you, Libra. Definitely new opportunities. Long-term commitment is coming. So let's see mutual energies and final outcome between you and your person. Yeah, they're coming to offer stability here, but you're juggling. You are in defensive mode right now, Libra. You're protecting yourself. One person is in defensive mode, and some cycles are going to be end, but they are going to offer their cup of love to you. Then it's up to you what to do, what not to do. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel, Libra. Or they won't give up on you. Definitely they will fight for your attention. That's why 7 of Wands. Stability is coming. All I want is you. I have regrets. I have regrets. All I want is you. And stability is coming are the messages. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck for you. Right now, clarity is missing in this relationship. You both are stuck, but it will come. Clarity will come. Adjustments are required. Even though for some after reconciliation, there will be some adjustments are required, and surrender to the divine full moon. So if you are not getting solutions for your problems, this is the message. Surrender your problems to the divine. And under the deck, a fairy climax approaches, full moon in Aries. Maybe you are dealing with Aries. Fire sign. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.